Today we're exploring quick breads, specifically banana bread. Banana bread is a batter-based product and is considered a quick bread as it is leavened with chemical leavening agents and not with yeast, and it is also quick to make. It's also a great use for those bananas that have started to turn a little brown and are going bad. I got about 1.25 cups of banana puree from my 3 bananas here and adjusted my recipe accordingly. Some grocery stores sell bags of bananas that have already started turning brown if you'd like to make banana bread right away, and sometimes they're a cheaper option as well. One of the things that makes banana bread so quick is that it is a straight mix batter, meaning that you can just put all of the ingredients together at one time and mix until combined. You don't want to mix them excessively long, just until everything is all combined together evenly. If you mix it too long, you can make your banana bread a little bit tough. Banana bread is great because without changing the batter, you can make it into a variety of different shapes. I'm making muffins here, but you can make loaves, miniature loaves, or any other shape you'd like. I like to put a little bit of pan spray into my muffin liners just to make sure that the bread releases nicely from them, but it's optional and you can leave it out.